Hello, ho, ho, and yeah, welcome back to Matplotlib, welcome back to Python, and yeah, with another episode of, you won't believe it, Matplotlib. And after doing some 3D plotting and doing some, animating any kind of plot or graph or bar or whatever you want, now we are looking at images, how to manipulate images, how to show images, how to, alter images and all stuff like that. And yeah, this can also be done with Matplotlib. So import matplotlib. Now something is wrong with the matplotlib.pyplot like always as plt. Now import, what do we want to do? Matplotlib.image as img. Today's video will be pretty short because I just want to cover how to load an image. Maybe the first things you can do with that image, like resizing it or some modes you can do with it. But yeah, most of the stuff will be shown in the next videos. And we have this beautiful lady, this beautiful pictures generated by an AI. Yeah, because I don't want to get in any troubles regarding copyright. So yeah, we made an AI picture. I can't remember what plot I did used. I mean the plot to generate the picture. And yeah, back to coding. Now what we need is img or image, however you want to call it, image read. And as an input, we have the image file as a JPEG. Now we need to declare a variable because image read returns an object. So yeah, let's call it imagination. Yeah, imagination is cool. And yeah, if we run our script now, nothing should happen. Yeah, finished with exit code 0, nothing happened. Just because we didn't show it, we just loaded it and saved a variable. Now we need something like, or maybe exactly, plt.imshow. Now the image object like imagination, and even now if we run it, it won't do a thing because we need to, again, like always, write in plt.show. For the case that you've forgotten it, I always forget it, and I also often forget the brackets, but yeah, in this case we don't forget it. And here we go, let me load it. Here we go, we have our beautiful lady. I guess it's a lady. And yeah, we have an x-axis, we have a y-axis, we even now the size, height and width of the picture because it's in the coordinate system, should be around 1024 or something like that. Yeah, now we put that aside. And what can we do with that information? So yeah, now we know how to load the image. We can do something like resize it, like something like this. So if we do this, and let's do it again, not much changed, but the image increased in width because we altered our width because we forgot commas. So let's do it again. Yeah, now we recolored the image. And yeah, let me show you. We recolored the image to a blue type because first parameter is where to cut the image. For example, we can do something like 0, 0, then it won't be resized, and then where to end. Something like we will test immediately, but let me show you. With what is important is the third one, because here we decide a mode. The picture is modified, like if we do 1, it looks pretty the same, and if we do 0, now it should look different. kind of has a greenish tone now. Depends on what colors the picture is already in. If you are more in, yeah, if you are more into graphical stuff, you should probably know what the mode means. I have to admit I don't know it. I'm more into the plotting stuff. Yeah, but we can also increase or decrease the size. Now let's put that aside again. And let's do something like, yeah, 0, 0 and 10,000, 10,000. Now, if we do this, nothing would change because, yeah, we start from coordinates 0, 0. Okay, let's first rerun it. Or, yeah, now I did something wrong because we got an empty one. Okay, now I got it. Yeah, it's kind of complicated. I don't use that. I didn't use that before, to be honest, but now I got it. It's pretty simple. You kind of slice the image like you slice a list. For example, you can first value is for the height. You can start from the bottom with 0 and go to 1000. Next one is the width. You can start from 0 and go from 1000, and this should give us nearly the entire image. Yes, this is it. So yeah, here we go, 0 to 1000 and 0 to 1000. I guess I just made it impossible to read. Here we go. And yeah, now if the height should only be 100, if we only want one short image, we get it. He will start from 0 to 100. If we want the bottom, we can start from 900 to, let's say, 1000. Now if we start it again, here we go. Now it is, it should be the bottom of the picture. We can check this by just getting back to the original sized image. Like in this case, this looks like the bottom. And yes, let's now try to get the face. This should be pretty simple. We are using coordinates, let's say 200. Or am I right? Yeah. Let's say 200, from 200 to 350. And let's say 300 to 700. Okay, let's try it again. Yes, here we go. Here we got the face. Okay, now if we use a colon here, he should go to default value. Yeah, here we go. Now we have the face. Okay, maybe on some occasions you maybe didn't see what I meant, but for that I will add some watermarks. And I hope you still couldn't get what I was trying to tell. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.